Hello, this is J. Libby Noof, and you'll find me on YouTube. I'm flying my quadcopter today. This is the Horizon 3D Flying 3D X8. I've had it for a little bit, and I really enjoy it. One thing you'll see today when I get it up in the air, you'll notice that there's a gimbal on the bottom, but it doesn't have any camera with it. Still trying to figure out those eBay cheap gimbals, how they work. But for the most part, it flies real well. So let's get it up. Have a few things to try and get done today. One thing I like to try and do is fly it back to me here and then kind of do a walk around. Okay, today we're here in Aurora, Colorado at Piney Park. One of my favorite places to come. It's where I normally come to fly my stuff. Obviously, you can see there's a lot of snow on the ground. We had a bit of snow. Supposed to have some more tonight, but I wanted to get my quadcopter out and do some tests. So here we go. Added an altitude hold as well as GPS hold, and it'll sit there until the batteries die if I didn't do anything. So let's do a walk around. You'll see that it won't move. I'm not doing anything with the controls. I'm not doing anything to keep it here. It's just sitting there. Let's go up a little bit. And what I want to show you here is about the GPS. I'm going to pull it away from its out of its area, and it'll go right back. And re-establish its position. Now let's try it one more time. Pull a little further away. Okay, here we go. And it returns. It goes right back to where you had it and where you had locked it in. So let's go up now and let's go down range, as they say in the Army. Let's fly it out a ways. Trying to get about 250 meters away. You might hear some talking underneath. We're from the original video, but basically trying to fly it out. Now, this particular unit has telemetry, and I'm watching the telemetry on the controls while it's out there. Now here it got a little bit too far away, couldn't see it, so I zoomed in a little bit to get us a better picture of where it's at. And it's approximately 270 meters away. That's 206 meters over there. Okay, so we'll get a little closer here. Fly it over in our area. Over there and 28 meters high. So the closer it gets to us, you can hear me. I'm reading off the telemetry and counting it down as it gets closer. But it flies real good. Right now, I have it in altitude hold, but not GPS. And I'm basically just kind of getting an idea what it looks like and make sure all the controls are working properly. Just altitude hold, it's not in GPS hold. Reading off the altitude. Pretty cool. I'm satisfied, so let's go for a little buzz here. Battery should be getting low. I believe we're right about 5.5 minutes. So we'll run it back out there again. Alright, just stuck it into return to home. As you can see, it's pretty high, and I'll be counting it down. Have to get out of the way so it doesn't land on my head.
15, 14, 13.
I love this part because I don't have to mess with the controls,
8, 7.
and I don't have to worry about landing hard. Happy with that. Flip it back into.
Then I took it over to manual. It's in manual now.
So now I can go out and just fly it a little bit. I think the batteries are going down, and I think we're going to lose the power on the battery. But I wanted to show you that when I go up here, and then I'm going to be losing the voltage here in a second, and it'll do an automatic fail-safe landing. The only thing I'm not happy about is that it doesn't return home in the automatic fail-safe. For the battery, it just comes down. But it doesn't crash. There we go. And of course, I always got to try and see if there's a little extra voltage in it. I'd rather fly it back to the table over there than to carry it. But it's not happy. It's gonna tell me what it wants to do.
No, I'm done, I said.
So alright. So we pretty much had a good day today, and the only thing left to do now is to fly home. I'd rather fly it back to the car than carry it. So let's see how that goes. There's a couple of guys out here, believe it or not, throwing the baseball and hitting it out in the field. I guess they're trying to get their spring training in before spring. Here we go. Yeah, let's get going in the right direction. My best friend Jim here, he's taking this video for me. So we'll have some extra video to add in the next time we go. Now as I look down here, there's some people coming down the walkway here, so the sidewalk is going to fly off away from them. I don't want to cause them any distress, and myself. It's not a good idea to fly when people are around.
Some people walk their dog. I walk my quadcopter.
Yep, I walk my drone. So try and stay off the sidewalk because of all the traffic. And we're just kind of cruising back to the car. Really enjoyed having this thing. I have also just purchased a new gimbal, a Wakera 2D plastic model. And when I get back home, I'm going to slap it on here and we'll see how that works. Probably go out late Tuesday or Wednesday and give it a shot with the Wakera. And if it works as good as I hope it will, I'll be getting another one for my tarantula. Right now I'm dealing with tarantulas. I got the Tarantula X6. That was my second quadcopter. My first one was a X5C-1, which I love. And then I got another one, which is the let's see, it's a V686G FPV flyer. So I haven't had too much chance to mess with it yet. So we'll just fly over here and land it, and time to go. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Try and make it interesting, if nothing else, and we'll be out again soon, so enjoy.